Good morning, children. I hope you all might be safe and sound at your homes. So today we are here to discuss the next chapter in GK, that is chapter number 10, breeds of dogs. But before that, let me tell you that dogs are friendly in nature. They love human companionship. And if you have a dog, then you might be knowing very well that when you go home, it greets you at the door with a smiling face, mouth open and tail wagging, ready to dote on you, because you are his best friend in the world. Or in other words, I would like to say that maybe you don't consider your dog as your world, but for the dog, you are his world. You are his entire world. Okay. So this is all about it, and let's start with some of the pictures. So here you can see, you might be seeing a picture of breed of this dog. Okay, so this dog's name is German Shepherd. German Shepherd has a great sense of smell, and it's very faithful and loving at the same time. So as you can see, its color is the color of this dog is black and brown. Okay, so this is really very faithful dog. The next picture you can see is the picture of Saluki. Okay, so this is again a breed of dog which is called the royal dog of Egypt, because it was the pet dog of Egyptian nobility. So the appearance of this dog, as you can see, it's quite lean and thin. It's got thin legs, thin and tall legs. Let's move to the third picture. The third picture is of Lhasa Apso, which is again a breed of dog called the lion dog of Tibet. As you can see, its appearance that it has got long hair with a very short height, and this dog is again looking very cute. Now the next picture is of Petit Basset Griffon Van Dien. So this dog is usually very happy dog, and you can see the appearance. And this dog has got long hair, long ear, as well as the hair you can see, which is not enabling its eyes to be seen. We cannot see his eyes clearly, and it is also seen in some of the cartoons. If you try to recall some of the cartoons, you will be seeing this type of dog. Okay, so its name is Petit Basset Griffon Van Dien. Now let's move to the next picture. The next picture is of miniature poodle. It is appearing more like a sheep than like a dog to me, because just look at the fur, isn't it? It has just got the same kind of fur, or you can say the appearance as the sheep is having. So this is, but do not go on its appearance and size, as this dog is quite intelligent. As once again, the name of this dog is miniature poodle. Now let's move to the next picture. So after seeing this picture, you might be trying to recall that where you might have seen this dog. So please do not put that much of stress on your brain. Let me tell you that this breed of dog is there in our school. Its name is Leo, and this breed of dog is Great Dane. As you can see, its size is quite bigger in comparison to other dogs, and it is also known as the Apollo of dogs. Now the next picture is of, I won't tell. You please guess. You children, you people keep seeing lots of movies, so you might be very good at guessing also. Yes, I hope you might have guessed it till now. So the name of this dog, the name of the breed of this dog is Dalmatian. Dalmatian. DALMATI in Dalmatian. Yeah, you might have seen the movie or the cartoon 101 Dalmatian. So this dog, as you can see in the picture, has got black spots all over its body. Okay, and this dog is really very playful dog, and it is known as the plum pudding dog because it appears like a plum. It appears like plum in the pudding. So therefore, it is also known as plum pudding dog. But the real name of this dog is Dalmatian. Now let's move to the next picture of the dog. This dog, as you can see, it has got furry tail at the back here, and large and fluffy ears. As you can see in the picture, large and fluffy ears. The name of this dog is Papillon. So you might have pronounced it as Papillon, but the correct pronunciation is Papillon. Double L is silent, children. So there are many such names of some dogs whose names are pronounced as wrong. So it's time to correct our pronunciation and pronounce their names in a correct way. So the name of this dog is Papillon, not Papillon. Clear? Now let's move to the next picture. This picture is of Saint Bernard. Saint Bernard is a quite friendly dog. Okay, so this breed of dog is also called this breed of dog was originally used to rescue avalanche victims buried in the snow. Now let's move to the next picture. The next picture is of the dog whose name is Airedale Terrier, and this dog is also called the king of terriers. Now, so you can see this dog. So it is grey in color, which is also known. So just due to his color, it is also known as the grey ghost. But the real name of this dog is not grey ghost, children. Don't get it wrong. The name of this dog is Weimarnaer. So the name of this dog is Weimarnaer. Weimarnaer. Okay, it's also known as grey ghost. So these were the pictures of different varieties of dog. Let's come to the chapter. The dog is considered man's best friend. We all know that you might not be the world for your dog, but you are the world for your dog. Okay. You might not be considering your dog as your entire world, but your dog considers you as its entire world. It was first domesticated over 10,000 years ago. There are many different varieties of dogs which are used for different purposes. Choose the correct option in each of the following. So as you can see, there are the pictures of some dogs. The first picture is of German Shepherd. Second picture is of Papillon, not Papillon. It's pronounced it as it's pronounced as Papillon. The third picture is of Lhasa Apso. Fourth one is of Saluki. Fifth, Mastiff. And the last picture is of Dalmatian. Now let's come to the exercise, children. Let's come to the question. There are altogether 14 questions. So we shall deal with each question one by one and try to choose the correct answer. This breed of dog, let's move to the first question. This breed of dog is the most common in police work. It has a great sense of smell. So I had already told you when we were trying to recognize the picture of some dogs. I already told you which dog has got great sense of smell. So the option is first Great Dane, second B German Shepherd, and C Greyhound. So the answer will be German Shepherd. Second, it was called the royal dog of Egypt because it was the pet dog of the Egyptian nobility. For number A, Saluki, B, Pharaoh Hound, and C, Dalmatian. So please, the first answer I already did for you. Second one, please do it on your own. Third, this breed of dog is called. So did you get the second answer? The second answer is option number A, Saluki. S-A-L-U-K-I, Saluki. Now let's move to the third question, that is, this breed of dog is called the lion dog of Tibet because it is said to guard the temples of Tibet. Okay, इस डॉग को लायन डॉग ऑफ तिब्बत बोला जाता है. क्यों? बिकॉज ये जो डॉग है ये तिब्बत के टेम्पल्स को गार्ड करते हैं. सो इस डॉग का नाम क्या है? सो द ऑप्शन इज ग्रेट डेन, कीज हाउंड, सी लासा एप्सो. सो द आंसर विल बी option number C, Lhasa Apso. So I hope you all are sitting with a pencil in your hand. So if you're not sitting with a pencil in your hand, please do come with a pencil in your hand and you can start ticking your answers with me. Now let's move to the fourth question. Petit Basset Griffon Venedine is also called. So I already told you what kind of dog is Petit Basset Griffon Venedine. So is it a happy dog, greyhound, or Saluki? So I already told you that it has got long hair, and due to the long hair it looks really very jovial, isn't it? So it is also called happy dog. Come to question number 5th. This breed of dog is a mix between a yellow Labrador and a golden retriever. Crossbreed, Airedale Terrier, and Keys Hound. So the option will be crossbreed, option A, crossbreed. Now let's move to question number 6. It is very intelligent and is often seen in circuses. Option A, Saluki. Option B, miniature poodle. Option C, Papillon. Not Papillon. Pronounce it as Papillon. Okay. So the correct answer is option number B, that is miniature poodle. The answer is option number B, miniature poodle. Now come to question number 7. This dog breed is also referred to as the Apollo of dogs. Mastiff, Great Dane, or toy poodle. So which one is correct, children? So the correct answer is Great Dane. Great Dane is also known as the Apollo of dogs. Come to question number 8. This dog breed is also known as the plum pudding dog. It was used by the English as a coach dog run alongside horses. So the correct answer will be Dalmatian, Lhasa Apso, or C, Golden Labrador. So according to me, the correct answer will be option number A, Dalmatian. Now let's move to question number 9. This breed of dog has large and fluffy ears. Yellow Retriever, Papillon, or option C, Saluki. So the correct answer of this question will be Papillon. Now let's move to the next question, that is, this breed of dog was originally used to rescue avalanche victims buried in the snow. Saint Bernard, Basset Hound, Saluki. So the correct answer is Saint Bernard. Now let's move to question number 11. This breed of dog is also called the king of terriers. Welsh Terrier, Airedale Terrier, or Greyhound. So the correct answer of these three, the correct answer is Airedale Terrier. Wild dogs can run up to a speed of 100 meter per hour, 44 meter per hour, or 19 meter per hour. So the correct answer of this question will be option number B, that is 44 mph. This breed of dog is also known as the grey ghost. So we have already seen the picture of grey ghost. It's really grey in color. So the answer will be option number A, Weimaraner. Okay, Weimaraner, Weimarnaer. The pronunciation of this dog is Weimaraner. Okay. Now question number 14. African wild dogs live in groups called packs. The number of members in a pack generally is 40, 60, or 30. So the correct answer is option number C, 30. So I hope this exercise is clear to you, children. So if you haven't filled it, please fill it and learn it thoroughly, as this chapter will be included in your next exam. So that's all for today. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.